Cybercriminals are creating fake profiles impersonating popular AI services like Midjourney and using them to infect over 1 million people with malware. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. Normally, when you think of online scams, you think of sketchy pop-ups or weird emails. But these hackers are taking it to the next level by setting up what look like legitimate communities on Facebook dedicated to these AI tools. They gain thousands of followers by sharing real-looking image generations and news updates. The hackers hijack legitimate profiles and transform them into what look like official community pages for hot AI tools like Midjourney, OpenAI's Sora, DALL-E, and more. But buried in there are malicious links and downloads promising early access to new features that don't actually exist. And anyone who falls for it ends up with dangerous malware on their systems that steals passwords and credit cards in the background. In one case, a fake Midjourney page amassed a crazy 1.2 million followers before Facebook shut it down. Users found themselves tricked into installing information-stealing malware disguised as apps. This malware can steal passwords, cookies, payment details, and sensitive data from infected devices. What's even worse, hackers are constantly recreating new profiles to keep the scams going. Even as one gets banned, they pop up elsewhere almost immediately. It really shows how social media can enable sophisticated campaigns if not properly moderated. The scale and sophistication of these scams is just remarkable. Analysis shows they targeted popular demographics in Europe, keeping campaigns persistent for long periods through Facebook's insufficient moderation. It seems that cybercriminals have found a devious way to take advantage of the hype around AI technology by manipulating popular social media platforms. For now, stay super wary of any AI-related ads or links, especially on Facebook. And now a word from our sponsor. Get a 56 terabytes fully air-gapped and immutable Veeam backup and disaster recovery appliance at half price. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Let us know your thoughts below and subscribe for more tech security updates.